Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations, checking out my BNX. This is a great face mask that's going to be easy to wear. So what's so great about it? Now I've got the H95 and the KN95. We've got both black and white in this video, so stick around. So the advantages to this mask are aplenty, and what I really like about the H95 is it doesn't wrap around your ears. This is a headband style that goes all the way around, and that's going to make it easy and convenient for you to wear. I always get ear fatigue from wearing these style of masks. Now BNX has done a great job of making high quality masks in the good old US of A. The KN95 that has all the certifications, everything you need, and it's a beautiful mask. Now let me go ahead and put this one on. You can see it wraps around the ears very conveniently there. It does have the 5 layers of filtration. It does have the metal piece right here. So whether you pick out the black or the white, I like the black because it doesn't show dirt and debris as easily. They're a bifold mask, meaning they can fold into 2, like fold in half, and that can easily be put away, tucked away, carried with you in your pocket wherever you may need it. And this is giving you an extreme level of protection. So let's go ahead and check them out up close, give you all the details. But yeah, if you're looking to find out whether or not this is a great mask for you, guess what? These are absolutely impeccable masks. Now, am I a fan of the black? Heck yes. Between these two, you have to decide, and you probably should pick up both, frankly, because this one's gonna be great to reduce your ear fatigue, and this one, sometimes you're gonna wanna switch out and just have a different fit. Both great masks. BNX, popular. They're right up there with 3M as the most popular, and you're gonna love them. So pick up your American-made BNX masks. You won't be disappointed. Stick around for the up-close portion of the video where I'll show you all 4, the black and the white of the KN and the H. All right, folks, let's take a look at these up-close BNX masks. We've got the KN95. This is the 20-pack of KN95 vertical folding ear loop style masks in black. Vertical folding ear lap style protective masks. This is also the KN95, I believe. Let's go ahead and make sure, yep. In white. We've got the H95W in white, as well as the H95 in black. This is a vertical folding headband style mask. So very exciting stuff. And as a reminder, the BNX N95 respirators are 98.83% effective. The drop H2 is 7.6. And these are made in the USA. They are an overall pass, and they are a fantastic product that we're going to check out in great detail. Wow, look at this mask. It is absolutely just perfect. I love the design, and I think these bifold respirators, they're called bifold because they fold in half. The style is extremely convenient as opposed to those big cup mess respirators. You can easily fold and put it in your pocket. It's easy for travel to take on and off. And the H95s are extremely comfortable as well. Let's see if we can show you the H95s. Now these are fun because of the style of the really only difference is the style of they have that allows you to wear just a little different, okay? And we'll go over that here in a moment. So what else can I tell you about these masks? Well, popular scientist Aaron Collins said that the BNX are his favorite brand of mask. They're right up there with 3M as the most popular masks around. They're OEKO-TEX Standard 100 cleared of harmful chemicals. So that's pretty awesome too. They are made for adults' faces, and you can see they have the little piece of metal here, and they've got a 5-layer filtration system, high quality construction, a few different colors, the headband quality, and the great elasticity of these masks are absolutely incredible. This is the H95 black with the headband style, and you can see the white with the headband style as well. So really a fantastic mask there. So let's go through them one last time up close and personal. You've got the KN95 protective mask in black. You can see 5-layer protection made in the USA, getting rid of pretty much everything that's going to come through here. Really safe and bifold, beautiful. You got the white. I like the dark colors because sometimes they get a little dirt on them and they look ugly, but the white does have a very professional look to them. You can see they're stamped with BNX's information on it. Then you have the white and the black of the H95 style. I really like this. This is a preference. You get all the protection of the KN95 masks, but you don't get your ears hurting. It's a big thing for me because I got them big old ears. All right, folks, go ahead and pick up the ones you want. They're absolutely fantastic. We're talking great masks made in the USA, American-made, high quality, tested. I hope this unboxing has done a great job for you. We've showed you all sorts of things about this. Just an amazing product available on Amazon with Amazon Prime, and you know all the benefits of Amazon Prime. All right, folks, go ahead and pick yours up. You won't be disappointed. My name's Adam, Elite Demonstrations. You're going to love it. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.